mom's driving the U-Haul. U-Haul has a giant fish on it, which hopefully means today will go swimmingly. Hey, so move is in progress. I'm in a giant U-Haul truck right now with my mom. Hi, babe. So I'm really excited, really nervous. We're pulling up soon. I'm gonna stop and pick up my grandma. And then we're going to start unloading. Going in. It's cooler already. So I'm just now coming to my new condo for the year, and I'm gonna look around, make sure everything's fine, which I'm sure it is, because it's the Garden Court condominium. It's so much nicer, like, to actually be in here.
Oh, that view is fantastic. Welcome home.
Thank you. My new home. I had to do a whole new wrap. My new home.
That's right.
It's so beautiful in here. It's like really, really beautiful. Can I actually step out on that?
Juliet balcony.
You said what?
It's called the Juliet balcony.
Romeo! Somebody saw Chris.
Huh?
All my boxes are in. These are my family members, my mom and my grandma not helping.
She wore us out.
Lunch break.
She wore us out.
Lunch break. I'm
Yeah.
tired. We worked hard.
So that's my move-in and that's my place. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage and the pictures, and especially the view. Hey Jefferson, can I see the cars? Hey guys, going to work, coming from work. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you around.